Want to create realistic rain in Blender? Let's do it step by step. First, add a plane, scale it up, and apply the scale. Duplicate it, move it up along the Z-axis, and apply the scale again. Now select the lower plane, go to Edit Mode, subdivide it, and increase the cuts to around 80. Next, add a UV sphere, scale it down, and move it aside. Select the upper plane and add a particle system. In the render settings, choose Object and select the UV sphere. Scale it to about 0.3. Now for interaction, select the lower plane, add collision, and enable kill particles. Then add dynamic paint, set it to canvas, and choose waves as the surface type. Go back to the upper plane, set dynamic paint to brush, add a brush, and choose particle system as the source. Set the effect to around 0.2. Boom! Now you have realistic rain with water ripples.